Okay, we are out here at the rabbits just to do a little update. They were starving to death. Oh my goodness. 7 mouths, and they eat that whole thing of feed a day and finish all the hay. So they've got a full feeder and hay, and I'll put some extra hay back there. Got a baby there, got a baby there, 2 babies there, 2 babies here. And they're all just chowing down. Even Mama. Mama, move over so the babies can eat. Anyway, look at them. Look at them. They're so cute. So cute. So, they are 4.5 weeks old. So, they were 4 weeks old on Wednesday. So, they're eating on their own. I don't know if Mama's still nursing them or not, but they do still get in the nesting box, and it is cold, so they'll bundle up in there. But they're eating on their own at 4.5 weeks old, fully eating pellets and straw. So they're doing really good. Look at them. They're so cute. Look at them bunnies. Look at the bunnies. See this little, these 2 over here, I guess, prefers the straw. So they're chowing down on straw. And the others over here eating pellets. Trumper, let's see what you need, buddy. I always take care of the mama and the babies first, because there's much more of them. I'm going to go ahead and top off his feed too. He doesn't eat a whole lot. He does like straw. We've got one rabbit who won't eat the pellets. She knocks them out of her feeder, so we're just giving her straw. So while I'm out here, I'm just going to top off everybody's feeder. You want in the camera? Oh, you look so scared. Trumper, you look so scared. Anyway, I won't bore you guys with feeding all the rabbits, but I'll give him some straw. He likes his straw. He eats all of his straw. So he prefers straw. Huh, Trumper? He prefers straw over feed. So his feed, we don't have to fill it. We don't have to add feed, but about once a week. Okay, I'm going to move down here to the end first to Pearl, because we bred her. So she, come here, Maverick, hold this camera.
Hold the camera?
Oh, the camera right here. Camera. Put it on Pearl. I'm going to put that up there if I can. How well that's going to stay, but we'll see. So anyway, we've got Pearl, who will not eat her pellets. So we haven't been giving her any because she was knocking it all out and it was just piled up right here. So she will eat straw though. So we're going to give her plenty of straw. She's probably starving to death. Like, why are y'all just now coming to feed me? And she may be pregnant. We did breed her. So pretty sure she's pregnant, but she's still skittish. So you notice the basket, the hay basket up there. It's because she knocks it off and knocks all the hay off. So she'd rather have it just like that. So that's what she's got. I'm not even going to waste time putting pellets. Well, I'm going to put a little bit, just a little bit of pellets in with her. I'm going to put about about a cup. You just don't want to, just about a cup in there for her, just to see what she'll do. Oh, she's eating it. So, for some reason, we had gotten, where we get our feed at, they had given us something different. And I think they have changed brands or something. And that could have been why she was knocking it out. She didn't like it. But I'll go ahead and put some more in here, and we'll just see. I'm not going to fill it all the way up because she's eating it. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and fill it up.
Surprising.
I know. I'm really surprised that she's eating it. So, yeah, though we'll fill her feeder up, and she's got plenty of straw. And then we've got Lily back here, who has been bred also, and we've put the nesting box in for her already, because today is, let's see, I think Wednesday was day 27. So today is about day 29, day 30. So last time she kindled at 32 days. So we'll see what she's going to do this time, if she in fact bred. But I'm going to get her some straw because she likes her straw. So went and put her nesting box in on day 27. Just in case. I have to get some more straw. Then you get to go down there to eat it. So that's Lily. Pretty sure she's pregnant. She had 9 last time, but none of them made it. They didn't even last the day. She kind of looks evil. Why is she looking at me like that? It's kind of weird, isn't it? Lily? Lily?
She's probably just looking in there.
You looking at yourself? You look in the camera? So that's Lily. She's pooping in her nesting box, and she does this thing with her feet. You guys, what is that? What is she doing? If you know, leave me a comment, because she's been doing that. She's got some really long claws, and we were going to cut them, but we haven't done that yet. And she likes to stir her hay around, so a lot of it gets wasted and goes down into the bottom. But anyway, we've got her prepped and ready. If she is pregnant, she can hopefully have a successful delivery. Hey, hey, Bo. Bo, let me give you some straw. Keep you occupied. Get back there and get you some straw. I have to go get some more straw. Yeah. Straw. Bo. He's real gentle. Yeah. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Yes, he is. He's a good boy. I'm going to fill up his pellets too, because he's pretty low. Just feeding the animals on the homestead. Now, last time Lily did not pull hair. She never pulled hair, and she had the biggest biggest Kindle. But we're hoping that maybe we've got some bedding in there for her. just in case. So we'll see. Okay, so Bo is taken care of. Their water is not frozen because it's 50-something degrees out here, so don't have to worry about changing the water bottles out. Okay, Hunter. Hunter boy, you're last. I'm so sorry. Good thing you got food. You got plenty of food. Hunter also does not eat much pellets. Hunter and Trumper, are two of our bucks, do not eat much pellets. But they do have bigger feeders too, so maybe we just don't notice it as much. But I'm going to go ahead and top it off since I'm out here and the weather's nice. He's still real skittish. I'm not sure why, but but I'm gonna have to get some more straw. Maverick, you want to stand here and just kind of video Hunter while I go get some more straw?
Yeah.
Okay. Just video him while I get some more straw.
So there's Hunter. He's skittish for some reason.
Just getting our farm chores done.
Yep.
Okay, Hunter. Here's you some straw, buddy. Some of yours goes to waste down there, doesn't it? Let's see. Okay, so we got Hunter taken care of. And that is it for the rabbits. Everybody's got their feeders full. They've all got hay. All three of our does should be bred right now. We went ahead and bred Tulip because she's probably not nursing anymore since they're eating on their own. So we had bred her a few days ago. And I believe we have all the rabbits already sold. So we're going to sell all these rabbits just to recoup some money on the homestead. Our pig feed is what's so expensive. So we're selling the rabbits for replenishing funds for feed. Now the rabbits, well, when you got babies, they eat a lot, but they don't, it doesn't usually cost too much for the babies. But anyway, we're going to sell all these rabbits. We have them all. I'm pretty sure they are all sold. And we'll take you guys down to, we like to keep these latches on here. I gotta get one, well, that one's hard to open, but we like to keep the latches on there just so no coons try to climb up there and open up the doors. A couple of them will swing open without the latch. So anyway, guys, that is it for farm chores with the rabbits. Maverick, you want to come down and we'll go check on the piggies? We'll bring you guys back with us when we're down at the little baby piggies. Okay, we are out here checking on the piggies, and they are all snuggled up in the shelter with Mama. Some of them probably have a teat in their mouth, but sometimes I come out here and they're like roaming around out here. But they're still babies. They'll be a week old tomorrow. So they're still just babies. So anyway, she's been a great mama with her 7 baby piglets. So, Brian usually feeds the pigs. He'll get over in there because their hoppers take a lot of feed. So Brian usually takes care of feeding the pigs, and being that she's not eating a whole lot right now, Mama's not, so Brian hasn't had to do much there, but these two over here eat a lot. Arnold and Twixie, and I'm pretty sure Twixie may be pregnant, early on pregnancy. But Brian will get in here and he tops off their feeders about every 2 to 3 days. So he handles that. I usually keep their water barrels full. I try to keep them full, especially right now during the winter. Keep them full because if the top freezes, at least they still have water that's not frozen coming out the nipples down there. So these appear to be okay. The levels, a little more than 3/4 full. So I'll probably come out tomorrow and top off their waters. Just keep their barrels full. And this one over here, it pretty much stays full. You can see it's full because it takes the regen from the well shed water that when it does its regen, we have it feeding into this barrel. But we don't have a pig in this pen right now. And I believe we have all of our piglets all sold. We've got a guy that has a new homestead. They're trying to get it up and going. And we are giving him our male 𝐂𝐍𝐉𝐎𝐾 here, Arnold. We're giving him Arnold, and he's going to get one of the sows back here of the piglets. And in trade, he's bringing us some firewood. So we'll have Twixie that we will grow out. So once we sell the piglets, Mama has an appointment for freezer camp. The daddy has an appointment next week for freezer camp, but Mama will go to freezer camp first part of January, of course after the babies are all gone. And then Arnold's going to go away to another homestead, and we'll have Twixie, and if she's pregnant, then we will sell her babies when they're born and grow her out. Stop that. Stop that. They're destructive. They want to tear up everything. So they'll tear up those bungees and then be able to get out of there. So anyway, that's an update on the piggies. Brian will come out and feed. He's got on a schedule with them. So it's probably not time to feed them yet. But anyway, that's going to wrap up a little update of feeding chores on the homestead. Thank you guys for watching. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Click that notification bell and leave us a comment. We'd love to see your comments. Till next time. And that wraps up this video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and watch more of our videos. Bye.